Okay, first, this video is about in order to execute or to create a basic shell, the basic shell programming. You can start your terminal here. Okay, now, first of all, you need to list down what are the files and folders that you have. Okay, and you need to create one file. You need one file, for example, I have already created one file here. We can vi script C. Okay, this is a file you can add. You can type the echo. Okay, knowledge is power. So echo means it will output all of the characters in between within the semicolon. So it will just output here. This is the output echo, and echo will output the characters in between within the semicolon here. If you put the dollar sign means it will take from the system variable, for the system variable, and then it will echo here, today is date, and then exit. So you can just escape, semicolon, WQ, save and quit, and then let run the script. Okay, it is still the same. If you go sh script, also the same. However, if you do this method script, the output are similar, but the difference is, in order to use this, you need to add ch mode. It has to change mode. For example, script here, you need to have this X for the user, X for the user, so it will change to green and able to execute. Okay, let's see if I just change mode. I delete the execution X for user. Okay, I enter, and then if I go LSL, you can see here the X execute permission already removed for the script, and the color also already turned to normal, to white. So if I run script slash permission denied, okay, so you need to add this, and it will turn to green. Green means it is execution file, not a normal file. So let's change and add script, and then LSL. Okay, done, already execute. You can do the script. Okay, done. But if you delete, and if you want to use bash, okay, for example here, for bash script and sh script, you don't have to add execute permission. You don't have to add. Okay, you don't have to add. For example, if you just, okay, now the LSL you already delete, right? So you can just go bash script, still able to execute. Shell script, still able to execute. But in order to use this, you still need to change the execution file. Okay, so you have three commands to execute the shell script: bash, sh, and here. Okay, dot and slash to execute the file. If they already changed, it means for the window it's like a .exe file. Okay, let's clear this out. let's go back. So if you go here, okay, if you put date, and if you want to change, vi script. Okay. If you want to change here, okay, let's see, cat today is date. If you run bash, it will just output date. You need to add the colon. See here, you need to add the colon. You can go right back, script, okay, escape, semicolon, WQ, enter, and then you run back. See, so it will output the, so this semicolon will take the date. See, the output of here, it will take the output in here, in our shell script. So this is the content of the shell script. Okay, echo means output. Okay, so let's see, so there are two variables. I want to show you the two variables. There are two variables. One is system variables, another one is UDV, user defined variables. User defined variables, we create our own. System variables that are already in here. Okay, if you type env, you can see here, this is the system variable that already in the Ubuntu. Already in the Ubuntu. See here, user. We have used it in our coding, in our previous script. See, you don't have to create. Okay, here. So in order to use the system variable, we just add the $sign and then include the system variable. So the computer will just take the value in the user. So what are the value in the user? Here, the value in the user is here. The value in the user is fcom. Okay. So that's why the, so here, that's why the value in the user is fcom. So the output is hello, and then the fcom is value characters inside the system variable user. System variable usually capital letter. You can see here, capital letter. Okay, capital letter. However, for the UDV, you need to create your own. You need to create your own. So, for example, okay, let's say for changes. New name. Okay. Okay, this is UDV. Okay, this is UDV. We put the value in this my name. Okay, you can see here you set the value. This is UDV, and then the value you set it yourself in the my name. So that's why if we output my name is, it will go to here and will take Pedro. My OS is my OS. It will take Trouble OS as output. My no is my no. So $sign, if you take $sign, we ask the computer to take the value in my no. So the value is 5. So the output is my no is 5. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, bash script bash. You see? So if you go bash cat, see here. So my name is Pedro. This is the output. Okay. So this is the file, the, the information, the code in your script. So it is just output three lines only here, 3 lines only. Okay, my name, it will output Pedro because we said my name is Pedro. My OS is Trouble OS because the value in my OS is Trouble OS. My no is 5. You can see here my no is 5 because it take the value in 5. If you want to change your name, my name is, okay, you can adjust it, your name. Okay, press I to edit, or you can change first, and press I, and then press X to delete. Press S to delete. Okay. Okay. So my name is any name. Any name. Just the wrong. My name is any name. Escape, and then semicolon, W for write, Q for quit in the below. See here in the below, and then enter. So you can just go back, execute. As our file name, your name is already in green color, means we can execute using this. Okay, here. So my name is any name. My OS is Travel OS. My name is 5. So it's changing. For this is Pedro, right? Already changed. So this is the user-defined variable. Okay, so if you want to combine the user-defined variable and system-defined variable, you can search first in env environment. So you can choose which part you want to check. Maybe shell, maybe shell or term. Okay, shell or term. So the value in term is here, the value in shell is here. Okay, so we combine. Let's combine vi. Okay, so let's add here. Let's add. Okay. Okay, put shell. We have to. You can just echo. Okay, let echo first. Okay. Echo the shell is, you need to put $sign and then put shell. This shell is an term is, okay. So this is system variable and this is user defined variable. Okay, escape. WQ, write and quit. So let's see the content of the unit. This is the content. Okay, this is the content. So let's execute our shell script, guys. Name. So you can see here the shell echo output. The shell is shell. It will take from the system variable, and the term is here. So this is the user defined variable. And this is the system variable. So that's all for lab 5. Okay. So I hope you're able to understand. Thank you very much.